Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond. I share content on lifestyle, health, wellness, and beauty. So if you're interested in stuff like that, go ahead and subscribe. Y'all, I just came back from running errands. So I pulled up in my driveway today and seen all of my aloe vera plants, and it gave me a video idea, and I've been using it for the past like 2 weeks as a facial cleanser, a facial moisturizer, and a facial mask. So I wanted to come to you and just share a few benefits on aloe vera and why it should be added into your skincare routine. So if you're interested in having just clear, beautiful, supple skin, especially if you have sensitive skin or if you currently have a sunburn, just keep watching. The aloe vera leaf is a popular medicinal plant that has been used for thousands of years. This plant is used in the pharmaceutical industry, the food industry, and most importantly, what we're talking about right now, in the cosmetology industry. The aloe leaf contains a slimy tissue that stores a watery substance. This water is packed with nutrition. The aloe vera leaf is filled with antioxidants, it's antibacterial, it helps heal wounds like sunburn and scrapes on your skin, and improves your overall skin health while also being an anti-aging product that prevents wrinkles. So I want to start with a cleanser because aloe could be used as a cleanser and a better cleanser than most facial cleansers on the market because it's antibacterial, antifungal, has anti-inflammatory properties, and is something that's perfect for sensitive skin. So normally I'm actually going to grab my aloe from the plant. So you can use it a bunch of different ways. As a cleanser, I literally just cleanse my skin with this. And y'all, after using it on your skin for a certain amount of time, I'm not sure if you watched any of my older videos, you've seen that I use aloe vera in my skincare for sunburns as a cleanser. It really helps keep your skin so supple, soft, and moisturized looking. Like, this is one product, it's not even a product, this is one ingredient from Mother Nature that is just everything I love and more, because as y'all know, I love my skincare ingredient to come straight from Mother Earth herself. Like, my skin is just drinking this up. Don't mind this bump that I have here. I've been trying to get rid of it for the longest. I have a video coming out soon where I'm gonna show you what I use to get rid of this when this is finally gone. Y'all, my skin is so soft right now. Like, I love it. Always, always, always after cleansing my face, exfoliating my face, putting on a facial mask, one of my facial oils that I love to use during the day or at night, it's perfect for oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, is my aloe vera oil. It's from Health and Beauty, and it's the organic and pure aloe vera oil. Aloe vera oil is bomb. If I could find out where I bought this, because I bought this so long ago, I'll link it down below. And also, if you like a video on how to make your own aloe vera oil at home, give this video a thumbs up. I could do that for you. Y'all, this oil, and I always just pour it. I never want to put mine, but this oil, y'all, when I say it's good for all skin types, so I have like dry combination type skin, and with my skin, I get dry so easy. What I love about this facial oil is it dries down like matte. Like, I don't know how, I don't know why or what, but if you have oily skin, or if you have sensitive skin, if you have oily skin, if you have combination skin, if you have dry skin, aloe vera oil is an oil that you might want to try out. Aloe vera oil has so many benefits. It's anti-aging, it's anti-acne, it has also a skin lightening agent. So if you have hyperpigmentation, adding aloe vera oil into your skincare routine might be the way. Like, it might actually be the way to go. I mean, there's an agent in aloe vera that helps lighten the skin and brighten
When I make my exfoliant, I make it as a sugar scrub and I use raw organic sugar. I dip a piece of the aloe leaf inside. I'm going to use my hands for this example, but what I would normally do is I would scrub my face with this mixture. You're probably thinking, now girl, I am not putting no damn sugar on my face. Hear me out, okay? Sugar is a natural humectant, meaning that it draws moisture from its surrounding area. So what this is gonna do is it's gonna help the skin retain any moisture that it absorbs. So using sugar to exfoliate the dead skin cells not only helps get rid of textured skin, but the sugar will help your skin absorb all of the goodness from the aloe vera leaf. This is something you could do once a week or even once a month. I'm gonna leave the recipe in the description below. For this hydrating face mask, I use wild organic honey, but you can use any type of honey you'd like. Organic is always preferred. Honey is one of Mother Nature's revered skincare remedies, y'all. It is antibacterial and antiseptic. This combo, along with aloe vera, can be very beneficial for oily, acne-prone skin. And just like the sugar in the exfoliant, honey is a humectant, which is going to draw in moisture into the skin from the aloe vera leaf, which in turn is going to make your skin soft and supple without making it oily. When you use this mask, you want to make sure you have a freshly cleansed face, and you're immediately going to use this right after. Leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes or until you feel your face is completely tightened. Then you're just going to wash it off and continue your skincare routine with your moisturizer, serum, oil, slugging, whatever it is that you do. Follow up your skincare routine with that, and when I say your skin is going to feel amazing, girl.
And that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and use some of these recipes that I gave you. When I say they are bomb, they are bomb. I use them ever so often. Aloe vera is just that girl, all right? If you have sensitive skin and if you have a sunburn, add some aloe vera into your routine, all right? Thank you for watching.